Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm back into my YouTube channel and FB channel, guys. Ito na ngayon ang lola nyo. Uy, kakain pala tayo, guys. Andyan ba kayo? Can you just text back kung andyan kayo, guys? Hala po, Diyos ko, nagangragak na pero mini, oh. Amuyo kasi, mabisbisina ko for me. Kasi ang breakfast ko kanina, 2 slice of biscuits lang. Alam nyo na, nagre-reduce kunwari ang lola. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko maghugas nga muna ako ng kape. I already washed. Kaso nga lang, naya naman ako sa inyo kasi nawakan ko itong buhok huli. Yes. Guys, kain na! Alam nyo, ganito ang buhay ng... Hi, Dada. Good afternoon. Yes, it's good. At least alam kong okay tong phone ko. Yes. I'm going to show you your food. I know you're gonna miss this one. Dun, da, da, da. Yay! Ang linis ng bahay po. Oh, no, hindi malinis. Hindi yan malinis. Hindi pa ako naglinis, lumabas ako. Alam nyo, nag-jogging. You know what I did today? That's my project there. Oh, naghula ako kaninang umaga. Kaya medyo tapos, you know what? Thank you, Miss Mercy, for the food you brought to me today. That's why lumabas ako kasi kinuha ko ang regalo ko from Pangasinan. She's from Pangasinan, Poso Rubio, I think. There you go. This is my food. Of course, dinagdagan ko na lang ng kamatis sibuyas. And this is the main course, guys. You know that? Hi, Rosa Echeverry. Wow, I'm going to have my lunch na. Kasi nag-breakfast ako kaninang alas 10 after my... Alam nyo na, hula hoop, guys. Nag-hula hoop tayo kaninang umaga. Hindi ko na binag kasi baka boring na kayong makakita sa akin. So, this is a present from one of my followers, guys. A friend, followers, ano na rin lahat. And then, this one, it's a munggo with, ano ba ito? Talong. This is squash. Prawns. Oh my God, this is a very expensive kung bibilhin mo sa labas. Talong yata to. I'm not sure. This is squash, prawns, and sweet potato tops. Hindi ko pa nalasahan, guys, pero it's been, she said that she boiled some sweet potato tops. Tikman ko na lang kay mamaya. Yes, okay. And this one also, of course, hindi mawawala ang cucumber natin with fish. Ito yung paborito ni Lola. I supposed to kirab this one. Kaso nga lang, naiya naman ako kay Miss Mercy kasi siyang nagbigay ng this is very crunchy, fishy from Pangasinan, guys. Hello everyone from Pangasinan. Shout out to all of you. Hope to see you and to hope to visit Pangasinan, guys. Okay, we'll be there soon. And then, of course, hindi mawawala ang suka ni Dada. Okay, and remember, he still have the suka. Yes, bongga. Yes. And this is my dessert. Ooh, I don't know the revelation of this one. I'm going to see and eat it later. But I know it's turon. I just come from the pinainit ko na to. Mainit-init pa. So, there you go. This is our food for tonight. For today, yeah, brands na to. Brands pa rin. Yes. Hope you join me also. And of course, pag ito ang kainin natin, hindi mawawala ang kape. This is a dark hot coffee. Look at this. Kape talaga. Kasi, I love this one. Pero after you eat this one, you should drink coffee. Ay, Miss Julie Lavador, how are you? Yes, I'm having food, lunch from a follower, from a good friend, follower, whatever. Yes. Talagang pinuntahan ko pa ito sa Central. Oh, okay, anong sa inyo, guys, para pick upin ng pagkaing regalo ko. Yes. So now now I'm going to eat my food. Now, just join me. Guys, wow, diba? Ang sarap-sarap kumain ito. Wala kayo nito. Dito muna kasi I'm sure na ma-enjoy ko to. Right? Malinis tong kamay natin, guys. Kain tayo ngayon. At least. And then, this is prawns. Prawns and munggo. Again, I have to repeat. I want to try this one. Parang tutubig ako. Right? Cheers, guys. I hope you have food in front of you. Win nga, tarong nga. Talong nga yun. Kaya nga, napapakain talaga ako ng kanin dito. So, cheat day again. Okay, every time cheat day na lang ako. Paano na yan? Isang bilyan na ako mamaya. Ay, Lola, Ampi, Lakba. What's that? Love ka. Okay, let's eat na. Alam mo yung kanin ko ngayon is kalabasa, munggo, and sweet potato tops with, it's really yummy, the munggo, right? Pero, mas maganda pag may sibuyas siya. Because of the crunchiness of the diba? Kain na rin kayo para tayo sabay-sabay. Sabay ang kanin. Pero I think in Philippines is merienda time na. Dito, lunch pa rin dito. Alam niyo what? Binuntahan ko lang ito para bumili. Hi, Joel Echeverry. Yes, it's really yummy. Daing. I thought this is to you. It's not. This is really yummy. Pero mas masarap ang Cebu. It's the combination of the daing, right? Kaya, kain din kayo dyan, luto-luto lang. Diba? Ang takaw ni Lola ngayon. Alam nyo kasi, I'm really hungry though. Kaya, ito, kain muna tayo. Ang sarap, guys. And you know what this one? This is salad. Sweet tomato. Sweet tomato talaga, sibuyas. Tsaka konting rice para hindi tayo ma-high blood. Yes. Yan ang pagkain ni Lola ngayon. And then, a good combination of the munggo. Ganyan lang ang kumain nito. Diba? How's everybody there? Umuulan ba dyan? Ang sarap gan. Kaya alam nyo, maha-high blood ako dito kung palaging ganito ang pagkain ko. Pero ngayon lang naman. If you really want to eat, guys, kanin, we always say only today. Para naman, we have to satisfy ourselves. Kahit na kumain ka kahapon, sabihin, only today. Yun ang style natin kung minsan. Kasi, we cannot afford to eat another to you or another day hindi mo mahintay na talaga. So even though you're not allowed to eat, sabihin mo, oh, today only. Yun na rin ako, ganun na rin. Diba? Para masarap ang kain natin, kamayin. I tell you what, this is the best daing ever. Hindi siya maalat, guys. Oh my God! It's nice. It's para siyang pinitong galunggong. Oh my God! Where did you buy this one? It's nice. This is from Pangasinan. I will ask her tomorrow or the next day or after this vlog. I don't mind buying this one. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. Only today. Yes, only today. It's nice, guys. It's really nice. Hope you enjoy watching my video, guys. Para naman may tips kayo na itong munggo, kalabasa, talong, talbos ng kamote, yun lang yun. I think it's still better to eat like this than the fat of or pork. Gisadong may kamatis siya, guys. Gisadong munggo, kalabasa, talong, eggplant, and banana tops. This is really good, guys. Yes, ang sarap. Yes. Oh, hi, Denwin J. How are you? I'm having my food now, given by one of my followers, or just say a friend. Oh my God, so sarap, guys. I haven't tried to cook this one, but maybe later. So if you come and visit my place, Miss Mercy, or whoever you are, friends, followers, I'll cook this one definitely. Yes, it's really very nice. Very nice. And what is the ingredients here? I think she put some ginger slice, garlic, of course, definitely yes. Maybe sibuyas. It's really nice. First time na makakain ako na ganito. Yes. Oh. Hello, Dada, and what's that? Denwin J. Dada's calling you and say hello to you. You can see it, I think. Kain muna tayo uli. It's really nice, guys. Ang laki ng anong tawag, subok ko na kumain. Kanya Tagalog na agad. Nagrawat ang anak, pero it's nice. Ang together with sibuyas. And this one. It's really nice. Ito talaga ang kinakain ng mga, parang ito, I like this most. And this is my dessert now. Nilagay ko na dito kasi we are Pinoy. I'll try my dessert. Sorry, guys. Pero gusto kong kainin to, pero wag muna. Ito naman dessert. I don't know what this kind of dessert is one. Dito muna, guys. Sorry, guys. Tapos na tayo. Ito naman. Papakin ko yan mamaya. Ito naman is egg tart. Pero I'll try to see what's inside of this one. The revelation of this one. Tukulit lang na kumangin baka dakarga na sumama sa ibang lugar. Sa ibang place. Oh, yes! Look at that. See? It's a banana Q. Right? Let's see. Alam nyo to ang combination nito? I think, oh my God! You know the combination of this one? Please, you guys. Kasi I know I'm not going to finish this fish. Alam nyo na, high blood tayo, guys. But I will love to eat this one maybe next day. Pero hindi ko na iba-vlog, ha? Malinis tong kamay ko. You know the combination of this one is ice cream. Go and get that. Diba? You know what? If you're eating the ice cream with in McDonald's, McDo, sabi ko na lang. Diba sa McDo, this is ice cream. Diba sa McDo, if you're eating the, ano ang tawag nun? Pag kumakain kayo sa McDo, they serve the, ano yun? The pie with the ice cream, right? So, can we just invent it like this? Kung pwede ang, alam niyo may ice cream akong naka-cone pero ayokong kalkalin kasi it's full of meat again. Look at this. Wow, ang sarap, guys. I know na. Look. And then you put the ice cream there. I know it's fat, but oh my God. Look at this. Dessert, guys. It's really, really nice, guys. Oh my God, so crunchy. Did you hear that? Crunchy nga. It's really a good combination of, what's this? Barbecue turon saging with ice cream. I tell you what, it's really nice. Alam nyo kung bakit? Crunchy talaga. I do it this way na kasi talagang ang sarap, guys. Mas okay pag wala ito. Don't eat that chocolate. Chocolate make you more fat. Hinawakan ko na kasi I'm the one eating, right? Ipapalaman mo yan. Look at that. See? McDonald's with pie and ice cream, you can dig it like that. Pwede. Why don't we just put turon and ice cream? It tastes amazing. Guys, you really haven't. Tell you that. It's really nice and crunchy. Miss Mercy, you are really a hero. It's really nice. Your banana Q, banana Q. Turon banana Q is really nice with the ice cream. Try this, guys. I tell you that it's really nice. First time to do this. I don't know if some bloggers did it, but nag-invento lang ako, but this is really heaven, guys. Really heaven. Try this at home. You don't need to go in McDo and eat the pie with the ice cream. Now, banana Q, banana turon with this. It's really amazing. If you want to put some more decoration on top, meron ako. But there's too much chocolate already. But stay tuned. I'll serve you that. Yabang-yabang mo. Hindi ako nagyayabang. I'm gonna serve you. Naglakdol tabalay ni Lola dita ukapon. So guys. Hi, Mr. Resida Prado. Nang bola na naman ako dito. Okay, I'm now to the last episode na. I did try, di ba, may ice cream na ice cream together with the pie, pineapple pie. So we can also do banana Q or banana turon with ice cream. It's really heaven. Really heaven. Taste again. Napaka-crunchy pa. Saan pa kayo? Guys, happy talaga ako with all your support, with all the one who gave me this from my beloved followers. Thank you for the food. Baka meron pa bukas. Puntahan ko kahit saan ka sa lopalop ng Hong Kong. I'll be there to get the food para lang i-vlog ko. Sorry guys kung panay ang kain ang vlog ko because some of my friends and followers, they keep giving me food also. So I look like a pig now. But pig is good, right? Many people like pig, right? Like me. So, and talagang kinukursonada ang pig kagaya ko. So, okay guys. That's all for today's vlog. So, hope you enjoy watching my turon. Oh yeah, I haven't finished this one, but I don't think I'm gonna eat this today. This is just anyway, I'm gonna open again. This one is a present also. So, I just wanna make sure na hindi ito masasayang. Oh, this is really good. This is also an egg tart. Egg tart with the pastry base. Ang sarap din, guys. Kaso nga lang punong busog-busog na ako, guys. Eh, syempre, mahirap na tayo. We can eat all the time this one, but this is really very special, Miss Mercy. Nakalimutan ko ng pangalan mo. But I know you're the pretty Miss Mercy. Na, thank you for the food and hope meron pa by bukas. Thank you for the food that you gave it to me. And I didn't expect this, that you're gonna give me some food for me to vlog. Thank you, and then hope to see you and hope to visit me soon by next year, right? O kaya, siyempre, nagpapaalam na ako sa inyong lahat kasi wala na ako dito sa susunod na buwan, and saka I'll be back again on October. So, alam nyo na ang ibig kong sabihin. I don't need to mention. So, hopefully, kita-kits tayo uli. Malalaman nyo because I'm online all the time. I'm on live all the time. Pag may time ako, everyday, 3 times, 4 times a day, ginagawa ko lahat to para malaman nyo kung anong nangyayari sa life ko. And please, in good thing, follow my footstep also as a naughty girl. Pero pag naughty, leave it, okay? Ganon talaga ang buhay. Kaya guys, thank you, and please don't forget to follow, like, and share. And then, okay, don't forget to pray up there also para naman sa everyday nating ginagawa. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope I got another one. This is really very good tips for today. Try it at home. So hopefully see you again later, and the next day, and tomorrow, and the next day. I love you guys. See you next vlog. Okay. Nakalimutan ko palang nagsabi na to all the Nueva Vizcayanos and all over the Philippines, and all to my kababayan and my followers and my lovely friends, good afternoon, and please don't forget to like and share. I've been saying to you, okay, good morning, good afternoon, and goodbye everyone. See you later. Dancing tayo. Bye.